Trilly punch me in. They see me in, I won over losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat up the pussy, then I go and cop and hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing, I ran it up from the start to the end. But you just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I run it on bands. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or writing no love song, yeah. Writing no love song, we all experience love loss, yeah. Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again, I'm running this shit. Like, hey Jay, that's my name, little bro nigga from down LA. About 6'1" with a low top fade. Niggas knew that you was gonna get to that cake. Hey, bitch, say my name. Too dope, cool nigga, ain't shit changed. Bad ass bitch, shorty screaming my name. And the phone sped off with a brand new chain. Nah, nigga, none of these fine. When a nigga pop out the designer, in the boot cooking up in the Honda. If the bitch wanna fuck, gotta find her. Say you want smoke, but he lying. If you wanted that, he would come find us. Niggas know we ain't doing no hiding. When we pushing out here, come the sirens. 33 bags with some brand new Givenchy. I just put that bitch in a drop top. Up in the kitchen, ain't cooking no Winnie, but shawty said she want a hot box. I ate it once and I'm going in the Jiffy, cause our ugly friend wanna cut. No, I can't fuck with that thought, nah. JB pop out with that glide. They see me in, I won over losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat up the pussy, then I go and cop and hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing, I ran it up from the start to the end. But you just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I run it on bands. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or writing no love song, yeah. Writing no love song, we all experience love loss, yeah. Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again, I'm running this shit. She got some baggage she carrying, only keep for a week, I ain't marrying. If you shoot it at me, then I'm parrying. Hey, yo, nigga, you weak, you jarring. Sippin' on you for some weeks, tryna marry you. How the pussy ain't where you Aquarius. I be gone for a week, I get back, we can leave. Say it likely to blow, it's precarious. AP, bust, drip, water when I step at the house. Big ballin', put a dick in the mouth. TTG, my niggas and shit out. She ain't my little secret. In the pussy, I'ma stretch a bitch out. In my phone, probably stressing her out. My baby niggas know we bout. She want the money, the power, the glory. She think I'm in love, but I'm fucking a friend. Don't have no friends, but I got some brothers that I know was rockin' with me to the end. All of my partners into with each other, and none of them stressing about many bands. She got a man, but shawty a freakin' and shit, so I don't give a fuck about a man. They see me in, I won over losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat up the pussy, then I go and cop and hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing, I ran it up from the start to the end. But you just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I run it on bands. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or writing no love song, yeah. Writing no love song, we all experience love loss, yeah. Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again, I'm running this shit.
Bitch, I'ma show up. If you thinking that I might be basic, you is so off. They saying that I'm eating, but it's really about to go off. Hard to move in silence when you dipping, just don't show off. Acting proud but no call, guess I'm just a show off. Don't waste my time, I'ma need it back. Go head count what's mine, please just read it back. Told my bro, promise we'll be fine. Always keep a stat, looking at my life, shipping right. Let's just keep it that. Let's just keep it that. Competition think they got a step, but they just creeping back. Parrot grab my phone, I'm way too busy, I ain't reading that. Told her she don't need to worry, I'm the go, just leave it that. It's clear that she believing that I'm ballin', tell him read the stats. Big hits, I need a few more, why you bitchin'? Got no time for that.